Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you some physical and spiritual uses of the coconut. So, we are coming to talk about how to use it for spiritual purposes as well as physical purposes. So, what we are going to talk about now is that you can use it for hiccups. So, the first thing you can use it for is hiccups. If you have hiccup, what you do is that you get a very young coconut, you blend the fruit with the water, and then you drink. If you do it continuously for about 3 days, the hiccup that is persistent. You see that there are some people, they will tell you that they have hiccups for a long time, it is not going. So you just have to blend coconut with its water and then you drink the two together. When you drink it for about 3 days, the hiccup will be a thing of the past. And then also, if you have hotness of womb, for women who have hotness of womb, you can blend the coconut fruit with the water and then honey. If you add pure honey, you blend the three together, the coconut itself, its water, and then the honey. You are going to use young coconut. So if you do that, you blend it and then you drink morning and evening for some time. You can keep it inside fridge and then drink for some time. The hotness of womb will be a thing of the past, and then you can easily get pregnant, and then you will not face any miscarriage, and then you will deliver safely. And then if you continuously drink the coconut water all the time, you are able to build an immunity against a lot of disease. So it boosts your immunity, and then it is also good for your teeth and bones. And then also it is anti-aging. If you drink the coconut water, it is anti-aging. It also boosts your immunity. As I said earlier, it treats epilepsy. So if you have epilepsy and then all the time you mostly drink coconut water, it is going to go. And then it is also good for your skin. And then if you also blend it and drink, it is going to treat bad breath. So those people who always have bad breath because of the fact that they are always having heartburn and then indigestion, constipation, and stuff. If you blend coconut with it water and you drink, you are going to do away with those problems. And then let's talk about the spiritual uses of the coconut water. So before we come to the spiritual uses, let's even talk about children who are very dull, who are not brilliant. So if you have a child like that, you are just going to mix 3 spoons of pure honey with coconut water. Just water from one coconut, you mix it together, and then the child will drink. From time to time, you see that your child will become very brilliant. And then people would say that it is a miracle. But this boosts your IQ. There is no doubt about this. This one is tried and tested. So please kindly do it for your children to be very good at school. And then if you are even an adult, it is going to boost your IQ. So please kindly do this particular remedy. And then also, if you want to be spiritually strong, then you always pray over coconut before drinking the water all the time. You see that it is going to make you spiritually strong. If you want to use, if you're a spiritual man, all the time when you take coconut, make sure that you yourself you go to the tree and then make sure that you take a coconut that did not fall on the ground. Just make sure that you catch it and then you just open it and then you drink. You pray over it, you say intentions and drink. Then it is going to make you spiritually strong. So kindly make sure that you do that. And then also, if you bath with coconut, it also help you to make things very easy for you, and it is going to make you spiritually strong too. Your spirit will become a leader in the spiritual realm. So you can just add 3 coconuts, water from 3 coconuts to your bathing water, and then you bath it on the day you were born. Or you can do it from time to time, and then you see that you become spiritually strong. Then favor and doors will open to you if you continuously do this particular bath. And then also, if you always have constant headache, you are taking all the medicines in this world, you have put all the medicines where herbalists and others have talked about, but your headache is not going. You have put all those medicines into your nostrils, but still, what you are going to do is that you just go to the coconut tree And then when you yourself you're able to fetch it from the tree, don't allow it to fall on the ground. Just pray over it, and then you are going to pray with Job 22 verse 28. Then it is going to help you. After doing this, you see that the headache will go. So what we are going to do is that just pray over the coconut and then use the water to wash your head. And then you just have to throw the fruit away. And then you see that the headache will go. So you do this from time to time, and then the headache will leave your life for good. And then also, if you always forget your dreams, just pour the coconut water into a container, and then you put some sea salt inside. So when you are going to sleep, you just use this water to wash your head, and then you also allow it to enter your eyes. Some will enter your eyes, and then you use it to wash your face very well. And then see that you start remembering your dream. So please kindly ensure that you do this too from time to time so that you always remember your dream. And then if you also have a child who is such that the child will become very sick, and then you suspect that it is spiritual attack, just pour coconut water into bathing water, and then use the water to bath them. Don't use towel. If you do this from time to time, that evil arrow will leave your child alone for you. And then also, if you are such that things don't work for you, or if you are such that your money does not stay in your hand, you are just supposed to use coconut water to wash your hands from time to time. So using coconut water to bath, as I said earlier, will bring you favor, just because nobody knows how coconut water entered the coconut. If you constantly use coconut water to bath, and then do your spiritual directions or pray over it and then do anything with it, God will miraculously and mysteriously use you to do his great works. And then people will not understand how you became successful, just like the way nobody knows how water entered the coconut. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly ensure that you share to benefit others, and then also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Kindly follow us on TikTok and then share our videos for us, the Remedist. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.